Today, starting from my house with three friends, K.S. Vishwanathan of Parasa Road, Shiv Kumar of Lake Gardens, and J. Venkatramanan. He used to stay in Tara Road, but now staying in Patuli. We plan to go to Triangular Park and Panditya area just to see our old friends' places. I just left my house and you can see K.S. Vishwanathan waiting for me. Here, this is K.S. Vishwanathan. And now comes J. Venkatramanan of Tara Road. He is also joining us today in the walk. This is on Lake Road. There is already one video of Lake Road, so not much will be captured this time. Entering Jatin Das Road. Our friend Shiv Kumar used to stay in this building, and his brother Raman. Jay Raman. This corner, there used to be a Ravi's Cafe. This building, this used to be Ravi's Cafe. And there used to be a South Indian saloon here. The Madras Saloon used to be here. The Madras Saloon. Which is Jatin Das Road. We are walking. All these old buildings have gone. Now this used to be Swarna School's back entrance. Any of you remember Swarna School? This used to be the back entrance of Swarna School. The road straight goes to Sarad Bose Road. This is Udupi Hotel. This is Maharaja Nandakumar Road. The old Andhra school used to be on this road. This is Satyan Datta Road. And our old Andhra school. Old buildings are still there on this layout. This is Sarat Bose Road, Lansdowne Road, and we can see now the Maharani Kachori shop. Mouth-watering kachodis and singara frying, jalebis and malpuas. And this is Mona Lisa Guest House, famous because of a Hindi movie. I am on Sarat Bose Road. Now I will walk towards Desapriya Park crossing, and there meet with our Shivakumar, and all four of us will walk towards Panditya. Now Maharani and Maharaja are two kachori shops. The one we saw earlier was actually Maharaja, and the actual Maharani is this. He's making khasta kachori. This is Jatin Das Road Junction, and that is Udupi. Now we will be reaching Desapriya Park corner. With the old South India Club building. Fun shop. And there, waiting for me, Ramanan, Shivakumar and K.S. Vishwanathan.
அப்புறம் நம்ம தம்பியோட வீடு கூட இருக்கு. தம்பியோட வீடு தெரியுமா? தெரியாதா?
Now this is PC Ramayar Hotel. J. Venkatramanan is leading me the way. Old South India Club back entrance. This used to be Patima Bhavan.
நம்ம வெங்கட்ராமன்
Patima Bhavan.
Practice India. Padma Tailor.
Yeah. Now the famous Padma Tailors. And then the Tirthapati Institution. We are walking on Rash Bihari Avenue.
Tirthapati Institution.
The Bengali Medium School, and next to that is Dabar. This is Dabar. Now we are remodeling it, and then that is the post office, Rash Bihari Avenue Post Office. Under renovation.
Raspberry Post Office under
Renovation, yes. This is main Priya Cinema. This is our Venkatraman's house. Above Day and Brothers. Above Day and Brothers.
ರಮೇಶ್
Ramesh.
ಏನು ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಇದು
Day and Brothers ಮಾಡಿ. Ramesh Venkatraman now in Bombay. காய்பாறு பிட்டு ஆச்சா அப்புறம் வந்து பீல் அப்புறம் பொம்பாட் பொம்பாட்ல இருக்கு இல்லையா பொம்பாட் என்னது
பீல் அது இதுவா
பீல் இல்ல இல்ல அது வந்து குல்லி டண்டா அது டாங்குலி அது இல்ல பீல்னா நடுவில் வாட்டர் இருக்கு மேடா ஜெத்தால் ஜெத்தால் ஜெத்தாலும் அதுக்கு இட் இஸ் லேக் வியூ ரோடு ராஸ்பேரி அவென்யூ கிராசிங். Now we will இப்படி போகலாம் இப்படி போகலாம் இப்படி ட்ரையாங்குலர் பார்க் அப்படி போகலாம்.
ட்ரையாங்குலர் பார்க் அங்கேனா இருக்கும்.
Starting off
எப்படியா இருப்போம்
Manohar Pukur Road. This is Lake Avenue crossing. That's Bihar Avenue. Now we are entering into Manohar Pukur Road. Supriya Park East.
இங்கே வந்து உதயம் ராஜாமணி இருந்தாங்க. எடுக்கணுமா
No.
வாட்டர் ஏடிஎம் தான்.
This is a water ATM. New concept. Water ATM. And this is Tridara Sammelini, famous Durga Puja. You go straight, you will come to Motilal Nehru Road Junction first and then Sarat Road. Now we will be entering into Panditya Road.
அது அந்த டெட் லைன் ஒன்று வருது அதுக்குள்ள
Entering into Panditya Road, Ashwini Datta Road. This right is Mahanirvan Road, but we will be going straight. We are walking on Ashwini Datta Road.
இந்தியா இது போயிட்டு இதில் இந்த சூரியநாராயணன்
See this old building, this old broken.
இந்த சந்தில்
Hmm.
எல்லா தம்பிகளும்
We are walking and talking of old days. Who used to live in which house? I think Mr. Pina, the famous Palakkad Iyer, used to live here. The three musketeers going in front of us. Chatterjee used to live here, the famous writer. This is the backside of earlier Calcutta Chemical. Entering into we are entering into Panditya Road. This side goes to Triangular Park, and this side goes to Calcutta Chemicals. The famous Mahaprabhu Mishthanna Bhandar is here. This is the crossing. This is the crossing of Panditya and Panditya Terrace. This is where the earlier Calcutta Chemical used to be. Now you see a multi-storied complex have come.
In the building.
This used to be the Calcutta Chemical.
Yes.
This used to be the Calcutta Chemicals earlier.
And the Vandi Pakita.
Hey, now we are entering into Panditya Place. S.K. Roy. This is Panditya Place. This is Panditya Place. This is Panditya Terrace. Vishuguda. This is the guy who used to remember Rajesh Khanna. He used to live in this house. Or V. Vishwanathan used to live in this house, it seems.
So that I will know. Interested.
This used to be Sampath Kumar's house. Now they have broken up and made a new building. Famous oasis. You turn left, you go to National High School, Hazara Road. And on the right, this is Dover Terrace. Remember చిన్నగా పెడుతుంది. Out. This is Dover Terrace. This used to be our Shiv Kumar's residence.
Number 4 gets off it in lane. அதுக்கப்புறம் ராமகிருஷ்ணா லஞ்சம் மேலே போயிட்டோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் அவர் ராமகிருஷ்ணா
Our FMC Bhajana Mandali started here, it seems.
நல்லா தெரியும். அவரை நான் லாஸ்ட் பார்த்தது
Road cricket.
மோட்டர் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் சார், அதோட ஓனர் டாக்டர்.
We are reaching Hazra Road now.
மோட்டர் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்.
This is Hazra Road Junction. And left
பேக் இன் டேஸ் இந்த
Mackendies, India. This is Hazra Road Junction and that is National High School. And there ends this video. We are entering Motilal Nehru Road. Still the same. No. Still the same. No change. We used to pick up small bearing rings and wheel rims from these shops and play with sticks, make it roll on the road with a stick. Any of you remember picking up rings of washers and ball bearings? We used to pick up these kind of rings.
கம்யூனிட்டி ஹால் இருக்குது, கரெக்டு. நல்லா இருந்தால் ஃபஸ்ட் கிளாஸாக இருக்குது. நல்லா போயிருக்கேன்.
Straight you go, it is Motilal Nehru Road and Deshipriya Park. Left is Shebak Baidya Street, and now we will go towards Sishimangal. Lansdowne Place, we will go to Sishimangal. Jain Mandir and Iskon Mandir.
அவனுக்கே தெரியாது.
A Jain temple.